Hi guys, Editing Crystalline here. I realized that I did not do an intro or an outro. So welcome to Vlogmas week 1. This starts with me about to leave to go to the beach with the cousins. And I'll see you guys in like 20 minutes for the outro. My aunt is here, so we're gonna leave. Where are my shoes? Oh, not take up so much space. Okay, so we're at the beach. We're at Harbor Lights Beach, which is a little too bougie for me. But the cousins wanted to come to the beach, and this is where we are. That's a cousin back there. And we're heading to the bar because the cousins want to go to the bar. Are you excited? So your girl went looking for, you definitely can't see me, but your girl went looking for a snow cone. Could not find one. Went to the parking lot. Snow cone was not there. So I have been told that there's a shaved ice place by Savvy. I think I might just get a beverage from Harbor Lights, which is probably gonna cost me like 20 bucks. But hey, you live and you learn. Guys, it's so hot. Do you see me? I look like I'm 50. Okay, so we're home. It was a fun beach day. A little long for my personal liking. We stayed from like around 12 until 5. What am I doing for 5 hours at the beach? Honestly, nothing. I did get some reading in. I started When the Moon Hatch by Sarah A. Parker. It's very good. I'm like 30-ish% of the way through, but I'm gonna do like a full book review at the end of the year. I'm gonna do a video on all the books that I've read this year. It's not that many. It's like about 13 or 12, something like that. It's like, I don't read as much as I used to, but I'm getting back into it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do for the rest of the night. I'm probably just gonna get some more reading done. I have some food that I'm gonna go chow down on. But yeah, I do think that I'm gonna stick with it being a weekly vlog situation, mainly because I don't do enough to do daily vlogs for Vlogmas. I was trying to get it done, but it's gonna be like a 10-minute vlog every day, and that's not content, baby. Content. If it was at least 15 minutes, then sure, I would do it. But I think we're gonna stick to weekly vlogs, especially because they're just longer. And if anything, if they get too long, I'll just split them up into 2 separate vlogs. But we're gonna do as much content as I physically can. The plan for tomorrow is to go to Haman's Market, which is a cute little moment. We'll see what Christmas things they have. I might take some pictures. I might get like Corey to take some pictures of me. Hey, because the Instagram feed has been a little stagnant recently. So we're gonna work on that. And then Friday for sure, we have a Christmas dinner that we're gonna go to. And then Saturday, I'm finally gonna get to go on the Logos. We've been trying to go, when I say we, but Club has been trying to go on the Logos for 3 weeks now. The ship has been in the harbor for 3 weeks and we still haven't gone. It's not it, bro. So that's it. I just wanted to catch you guys up on what we did. Beach day, 10 out of 10, very successful. I don't know what we're gonna do on Thursday, God willing, but tomorrow the plan for that is to head to Haynes Market. So I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I just want to show you guys the spread that we have today. We have salt bread and Bajan ham, specific, and some cheese. So Corey can make some ham cutters. And then we have all the sauces. We have mango sauce, mustards, 2 different types of mustards in case she wants that. And then Bajan hot sauce. We got golden apple juice because there's nothing better than golden apple juice. Water for them. In the back over there, we got a bowl full of assorted fruit. There's some apples, some oranges. I think there are 2 kiwis still left back. And then I just heated up some saltfish and bake for CJ to try because Corey is allergic to fish, so she can't have that. So that's what she has on cutters. I'm gonna have a conky. I don't know what Josh is gonna eat, but he'll figure that out when he gets back home because he has to drop my mom off to work. Can you not zoom? Why can you not zoom in this one? Hi guys. So we are about to head out to Hayman's Market. I just thought I'd pop in and show you guys my outfit. I don't know if you've seen this top before, but I bought a bunch of tube tops before I came home because I was like, maybe I'm a tube top girly, and I do think I am a tube top girly. I just think they're really cute. And anybody who's a hater on my tube top, I don't want to hear it. Be quiet. It's simple though. It's the brown tube top and then like the cream bohemian-esque skirt. Can I say bohemian? I don't know. Skirt that we've seen oh so many times. And then I have this little flower clip in my hair, which I think is really cute. I did some simple makeup, nothing crazy. Like a little bit of tint, some blush, highlight, a little bit of eyebrow. Alright, but let me back up so you guys can see. Right, cute. Cute, very slight, very cute. We're probably gonna go for food first. I think we're going K's for rotis because I mentioned roti yesterday and now they want roti. Then we're going Hayman's. I think if they're up for it, we'll still go to Whole Town, do a little bit of driving around, see what they're interested in purchasing. And that's that because Corey is getting a little tired and a little antsy. The heat will do that to you, but it's not even that hot. But then again, I'm used to it. So we'll see what they want to do. But it's very chill today. Yeah. See you guys when we're getting food. Can I get the taro milk tea? You order taro? Okay. You have vanilla? Yeah. Can I do vanilla milk tea then? Thank you. It's a lunch today. Oh, the table's rocky. Oh no. Okay, lunch today is a chicken and pumpkin roti from K's, and then a small vanilla boba. What are you talking about? I mean, not only plug. I have 15 subscribers, Joshua. Anyway, and a vanilla boba from Agape. 10 out of 10. Delicious. I'll try the roti. Everybody knows sometimes. Roti. It's good. It's very good actually. 10 out of 10. And the China sauce is really nice. What'd you get? It was vanilla. They didn't have taro.
Oh.
Spritz? Oh, really? No taro?
Syrian.
Huh?
Rum punch.
Oh.
I'm not
Oh,
surprised.
what'd you think it was? What'd you think it was?
Aperol spritz.
Aperol spritz? No, Aperol spritz are vibrant.
Oh, no.
No, it's not vibrant.
Vibrant as in like brighter?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's see how this is. Oh.
It's strong.
Way stronger than the ones from yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And this one has cinnamon in it.
Ooh.
Wow. It's gonna get drink. But yeah, it
That'll
tastes
do
good.
it.
I was looking for you. I was almost gonna get you a drink, but I didn't know if you were gonna get the same thing.
I'm okay.
But I'm not like you guys.
I'm not even like us. I drink juice all day.
I mean, why drink juice when you can drink it?
Why
For
drink
the
alcohol
vibes.
when you can drink juice?
Because juice is still unhealthy. It's probably worse than the alcohol.
But does it taste better?
If you mix it the right way.
I'm sure your liver just screamed.
And it went back to Spanish music, you
I
know.
don't think he hates you.
He hates me and wants me to. He wants me to perish in the parish.
So my smell is awkward.
Really?
My smell is awkward. Oh,
She wants with you.
no. I'm gonna. Are you gonna get your drink? It is hot, right?
You gotta get the accent. This sound real popping. What?
That's not real hot.
This sound real hot.
They sound real hot. Very. Oh, is that what you said? Not real hot.
No.
Oh, sorry guys.
It's still hot.
It's hot.
We're not in Jamaica.
Makes sense. I hang out with the Jamaican way more than I say.
I can probably speak better past.
Yeah. We're going in Massey so they can get hot sauce and stop at the Starbucks. I'm trying to find the hot sauce. I can't find it anywhere. Everything but hot sauce, frankly. Ramen. Found it. Here. A variety of hot sauce. We use Amanda's. It's down there. Yeah. Hot sauce for your choosing.
Oh, which one? This one right here, right?
Yeah, the Amanda one.
Yeah, I don't need this in my house. My tongue will burn off.
Thursday at 12 p.m. for another Blickety vlog. Bye, guys.